In how many different ways can the letters of the word MVSR be arranged? Given word is MVSR. How many letters in a word? 4 letters. All letters are unique. So this will be done by 4 factorial. 4 factorial will be equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is equivalent to 24. In how many different ways can the letters of the word bloating be arranged? How many letters in a word will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? So he is given 8 letters. 8 letters are arranged by 8 factorial. Is there any common letters in the given word? In the sense there is no common letters. This will be arranged by 8 factorial. 8 factorial can be written as 8 into 7 factorial, where 7 factorial equal to 5040, where 8 is nothing but 8 only. If I multiply these two, 40320. How many different ways can the letters of the word Mississippi be arranged? So given word is Mississippi. How many letters in the given word? So total letters will be equal to 11 letters. Out of 11 letters, any common letters in the given word? In the sense we need to check. So that will be equal to 4I. We are having 4 I's, 2 P's. So next will be equal to 4S. 11 letters be arranged by 11 factorial. 4 I's be arranged by 4 factorial. 2 P's are arranged by 2 factorial. 4S be arranged by 4 factorial. Then final answer will be no need to multiply, no need to cancel anything. So 11 factorial can be written as 11 into 10 into 9 into 8. So answer should be 11 multiplication. Answer is 11 multiplication. What is the divisibility rule for 11? Divisibility rule of 11 will be equal to sum of odd places minus sum of even places. So 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 4 has to be equal to 0 or multiplication of 11. We are not getting 0, we are not getting 11. 3 plus 3, 6. 5 plus 3, 11. 11 minus 6, again not equal. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 minus 7, it is also not possible. 3 plus 6, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Answer will be equal to D. In how many different ways can the letters of the word mathematics be arranged? In the given word mathematics, how many letters are there? Total number of letters will be 11. Is there any common letters we are having? 2 M's, 2 A's, 2 T's will be equal to 11 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. So 11 factorial divided by 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. In how many different ways can the letters of the word PADD, LED be arranged? In the given word, how many letters are there? Number of letters are 7 letters. 7 letters are arranged by 7 factorial. Any common letters in the given word in the sense 3 Ds. So 3 Ds is arranged by 3 factorial. So final answer is 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial. Answer should be 7 multiplication by the options. All options are 7 multiplications. Okay. In the sense, we need to check the total answer 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. Where 3 factorial is cancelled. So 6 5s are 30. 30 into 7 into 4, 28. 28 into 30 is equivalent to 840. 28 into 30 equal to 840. In how many different ways can the letters of the word mango be arranged so that the middle position is occupied by M? Middle position is occupied by M. So rest of the letters will be equal to 4 letters. Other than M, rest of the letters are 4 letters. 4 letters are arranged by 4 factorial. M is a single number. This will be arranged by only one way. Remaining letters are 4. 4 letters are arranged by 4 factorial. So final answer will be equal to 4 factorial into 1. 4 factorial into 1 equal to 4 factorial. So the answer will be equal to 24. In how many different ways can the letters of the word paper be arranged so that the middle position is occupied by R? If middle position is occupied by R, rest of the letters are 4 letters. 4 letters are arranged by 4 factorial. Is there any common letters in the remaining letters in the sense we are having 2 P's? 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial will be equal to 24 divided by 2 is equal to answer is 12. In how many different ways can the letters of the word arranged so that it will starts with R, ends with H? Starts with R will be arranged by one way, ends with H, it is also arranged by one way. So total letters will be 7. Out of 7 letters, 2 letters are placed. Remaining letters will be 5. 5 letters will be equal to 5 factorial. 5 factorial equal to 120. In how many different ways can the letters of the word happy be arranged having both P's together? Both P's together in happy, where PP are to be 1, remaining letters are H, A, Y. PP should be 1, remaining letters will be 3. 1 plus 3 equal to 4 factorial. So both P's are together. In the sense, we need to arrange 2 P's. 2 letters are arranged by 2 factorial. We need to check is there any common letter. Both P's are same value only, same letters. So that will be 2 factorial in the denominator. 2 will be cancelled, 4 factorial. 4 factorial equal to 24. In how many different ways can the letters of the word MANGOS be arranged so that it will begin and end with a vowel? In the given word MANGOS, what are the vowels? Vowels will be A and O, two vowels. It may be it is starts with vowel, it is ends with vowel. It may be starts with A, it may be ends with O. Or else it may be starts with O, it may be ends with A. So how many options we are having? How many possibilities we are having? Two possibilities. Two possibilities will be equal to 2 factorial. Remaining letters will be equal to out of 6 letters. 2 letters are placed. Remaining letters will be equal to 4. 4 letters will be equal to 4 factorial. So final answer will be equal to 2 factorial 4 factorial. Will be equal to 48. In how many different ways can the letters of the word papers be arranged so that it will begin and end with a vowel? So again, in the paper word, so what are the vowels we are having? A and E. 6 letters in a word. So it may be starts with A and E or else ends with E and A. So we are having two possibilities will be equal to 2 factorial. Remaining letters will be equal to 4 factorial. 2 factorial into 4 factorial. Again we need to check is there any common letter. Common letters will be equal to 2 factorial where 2 factorial is cancelled. Final answer is 4 factorial. 4 factorial equal to 24 is the answer.